My name is Oladosu Adenike. The iLead Climate Action Initiative is starting a 1 month campaign, a 30 days activism from the 8th of February to the 8th of March 2022 ahead of International Women's Day, trying to spotlight women's resilience in their actions, in research, in studies, and the rest, how women are taking action, championing it in their various communities. Because we cannot solve the climate change crisis without women and girls, because we are at the forefront of the climate change crisis. Hence, we have the solution, and we need to be given the chance for us to be able to showcase it. So we are going to be spotlighting different people using the YouTube channel, the Ecofeminist channel, and also our blog spot www.womenandcrisis.com, trying to bring in people working in different areas on gender related issues, because this year theme is on sustainability, women and girls doing great things across the globe. So yeah, thank you so much, and watch out for all of these activities that is lined out during the month for each of these days. Thank you so much.